Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your feed preference on Happn dating application. So first of all you need to install it and log in your account, then tap here right top corner of your screen, it's a profile icon, and scroll down, then you can see here the dating preference. So simply tap here, then you can see the first two options or advanced filters you can, but you need to subscribe. So you can change two things, gender and also age range. When you're done, then simply tap the validate it. Then you will see the girls or women in their age 18 to 30. If you're a girl, you can also change it. So if you are interested both, then you can tap the both. And if you want to advanced filter, then you need to premium, subscribe the premium version.